Hey guys, okay, let's jump into the video. So today we're going to be doing a recap of everything that happened today. So today's date is 11/11/2024, and this is going to be MNQ. So we're going to see all the price action, all the opportunities we had today. So this was Friday's high. As you can see, from Monday we took out this high over here. So it means the market was buying today. The market was going up. That's what this means. So let's go ahead and jump into a time frame. Okay. So this is not like that. Let's go ahead and turn on the so we can know the New York session. Okay, 15 minutes. Okay, so this is everything that happened in New York session. So at first, you can see the market was trending upwards. The market was trending upwards over here. Let me use a trend line so you guys can see it properly. So as you guys can see, the market was trending upwards over here. And all of a sudden, we broke this trend. And now the market started pushing down. Okay, so after when the market opened this morning, before we broke, let me leave that on there so that way you guys can see me when I'm talking about this. Okay, so the market was trending right here. So when the market opened this morning, we had a break of structure to the upside. And usually when we have a break of structure, we want the market to continue going up because as you can see clearly the market was going up. So why would you want to fight against the trend, knowing the trend is your friend? So you'll be looking for buys over here, right? Because if you use your retracement to, if you go from this low to this high over here, you want the market to give you some kind of retest from any of this retracement zones over here, 50, 38, 25. So if you go to the 5 minute, you can see at first from at first from this zone over here, you can see the market started to push back up, but that didn't last. The market turned back down and kept going down. So then the market came close again. Plus, we had this order block over here because this is the low that caused this break of structure. This low is what causes break of structure. But if you go to the 15 minute, you can clearly tell that this is the move that caused the break of structure. So this move started from here and it broke this high. But on the 5 minute, this move started, but it came back. We had a small pullback. Then this move made the break of structure that happened over there. So as you can see, the market was playing well in this zone at first. The market was playing well in this zone at first. You can see bounced in, played around, pushed up, then turned back down. So that zone didn't hold. Let me go ahead and take this off. In the meantime, this is still our 15-minute low. We're gonna take this one out. Okay, so this is still at 15-minute low. Even though this low was taken out on the 5 minute, as you can see with this candles over here. So we still wanted to see a bounce, but as you can see, the market just flushes all the way down. We do not get a bounce. So what else happens after we break the structure from up to down? So after we break the structure, the market took out the low. The market just kept flushing, kept flushing, kept flushing. Now, to be cautious, we can't go into this trade because all we see is the market just pushing down. That's not enough. That's not enough for us to go into a trade. That's not enough what's it called, intuitions or things that need to happen before we go into the trade. So what do? We wait for the market to stop falling down, give us a retracement. Now, if you notice from here, from this high to this low over here, what do we get? We got a 50% retracement. How do we usually get into a trade? So if you watch any of my previous video, you know how we get into a trade once we get a 50% retracement is we want to see two candle break of structures. And when I say two candle break of structures, what do I mean? So let's analyze this whole move that happened in here. Let me close this. So if you notice, there was some kind of consolidation that happened in here. Let me use something. Let's use purple. Okay, so you can see this whole constellation that happened in here, right? So let's analyze this. So at first, we have this long bullish candle that goes up, right? So this is a up candle. This is an up candle. Okay, if you notice, then we have this bearish candle that takes out this high over here. Now this becomes a down candle. Now for us to get into the next trade, this low has to be taken out so we can get into the trade, right? But what happens? As you can see, the market comes back and takes out this high. So now we have an up candle again. Now we have another up candle. We have an up candle and this low is taken out with this candle, so this becomes a down candle. This high is taken up, so this is an up candle. This low and the high is taken out, so this is going to be a down candle. This high is taken out again, so this is an up candle. Now over here we get this candle takes out this low, so this is a down candle, and this candle takes out this candle, so this is a down candle. So this is two breaker structures that we're looking for. Now once we see that, we go ahead and take the trade. Stop loss is going to be at this high over here, And remember what we target the usually we target this the low over here, but this is not a positive risk to reward. We want at least minimum a 1 to 2 risk to reward. So we go ahead and push this down to a 1 to 2. Bang, there we go. Beautiful trade. This is our B setup trade. So for those of you who have been watching my videos, you know we're out there testing out a strategy that we can take into a live account. No fake, nothing over here. We're testing out a strategy that we can all trade live that works. So as you can see, we did bang a 1 to 2 trade over here, and then everything else keeps going. So just to show you guys that I did take this trade, let me show you. Let's go to my settings, and over here, trading executions. Look at that. I did take that trade right there. I took a short, and you can see the market took me out over there. So no lies over here. We did take this trade because this is a paper account. So we can see we took the trade over there, and the market took us out. So like I said, beautiful trade. So on this account, we started at 5,000. We're down $63. I know it's been 11 days so far. We haven't made any profit yet, but like I said, it's the point of the testing out a strategy to make sure it works. So like I said, this was the 1 to 2 trade that worked out. Beautiful trade, nothing crazy. The one that we took that we lost this money was just it happens. So I mean, I took a buy here because as you can see, this order block held. I know I've explained this already, but this order block held over here. So if you look at it, if we go into our candle like we do here, like we just did, so we have a down candle. This is an up candle. It takes out this high, so this is an up. So this next candle, up bar, takes out this one right here. So we got into a buy over here. That's how I lost the first trade this morning. So got in right there. Stop loss was at this low. We were trying to, catch this move back up because we thought the market was going to keep going up, but it didn't happen. It's part of it. It happens. We want to trade the game like that. Made up for it. So as you guys can see, that was this trade here that we lost this morning, 11,934. So you can see. But that's it, guys. That's everything that happened today. I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys have any questions, please subscribe and like the video. If you have any questions, comment down below. I'd love to answer any questions you guys have. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.